Hi everyone, a very good afternoon and welcome to today's market updates. My name is Edmund. So, over the last 24 hours on a Tuesday, markets was relatively quiet with major currency pairs such as the UK pound moving within just a 60 pips range, and also we do see gold prices moving within a 13.13 US dollar range. So, as compared to more active days, usually the pound dollar could easily move 150 pips, and of course, gold prices could easily move between 20 to 40 US dollars. Okay, so regardless of that, let us have a look at and see what is coming up for today on a Wednesday, 20th of January 2021. We will be having some minor economic data coming out from Europe, UK, and of course, the focus today will be on Canada, where there will be a host of economic data and also Bank of Canada's monetary policy report at 11 p.m. So, moving to the eurozone, German producer price index numbers at 3 p.m. Core consumer price index numbers for the UK at 3 p.m. Housing price index data at 5:30 p.m. And of course, the eurozone final core CPI data at 6 p.m. Again, the focus will be on Canada tonight as a host of economic data, and also the Bank of Canada's monetary policy report will definitely have an impact on the USD CAD pairing. So we're going to have a look at the USD CAD technical chart shortly, just to see whether you can find any opportunities for the Canadian pair. Okay. The only US economic data tonight will be the National Association of Housing Board Housing Market Index data coming out at 11 p.m. Okay. So again, over the last 24 hours, market has been pretty quiet. As of now, markets are not really moved that much yet. Actually, this morning, gold prices did move up. We're going to have a look at the technical chart shortly. So again, the main event over the last 24 hours would be U.S. Treasury Secretary nominee Janet Yellen, which urged U.S. lawmakers to act big on the next coronavirus relief package, adding that the benefits of a large financial package will definitely outweigh the cost of a higher debt burden. Okay, so for those who do not know who Janet Yellen is, she was the previous Federal Reserve chairman. I think way back, I think about three to 6 years ago. Okay, Janet Yellen was the Federal Reserve Chairman before the current Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. Okay, so I think with Janet Yellen coming in as U.S. Treasury Secretary, I would say that the U.S. Financial status or situation would be under very good hands. Okay, so a quick look at the U.S. dollar index. The U.S. dollar weakened on a Tuesday, marginally from 90.73 levels to a lower, slightly lower at the 90.46 levels. Okay, so again, this is the US dollar index weakening marginally. And of course, the UK pound, as mentioned just now, moved within a 60 pips range. For yesterday, it just strengthened about 52 pips. Okay, gold prices wise, again very quiet yesterday, moving within a $12 range, very consolidative quiet range. Only this morning, we start to see it moving up from 1840 levels all the way to current prices of 1850. Okay. US West Texas Instrument oil finally did move up again from about $52.30 all the way up to about $53.10 yesterday. Dow Jones Industrial Average, on average, US equity markets moved up yesterday on positive sentiment brought on by Janet Yellen, mentioning that she's trying to build support and also trying to get approval for 1.9 trillion US dollar financial stimulus package. Okay, so this boosted up US equity prices and also equity indices. Okay, so let's go on to the MT4 charts. So again, we do see US dollar weakening marginally yesterday, and as of this morning, it is still on a weak level, still on a bearish note. UK pound moving up yesterday. Okay, UK pound moving up about 60 pips only. Okay, and this morning it is still on a rise, going up 27 pips. Okay, so gold prices yesterday was trading within a range of about 13 US dollars, and this morning moved up from 1840 all the way to the current levels of 1850. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to wait until later this afternoon, where not only am I looking at the USD Canadian pairing, but also on the UK pound, as there's a host of economic data coming out of the UK pound, at 3 p.m. today. Okay, so oil prices has been going up, meaning that the Canadian dollar has also been strengthening against the US dollar. Okay, looking at this, there's a chance or possibility that the Canadian dollar may strengthen even further, possibly to 1.2690 levels against the US dollar. Okay. So again, to my view, Monday was an exciting day for most of the financial instruments, except for the U.S. indices, as it was a holiday for Martin Luther King Day. Tuesday, markets are still relatively undecided and relatively quiet. We'll see later on this afternoon or this evening whether volumes and activity picks up during the U.S. and U.K. trading sessions. Okay, so have a good trading day ahead. I'll see you guys again soon for the next market updates. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day.